In this video, we will explain how to report on usage of devices in the integrated control system using the Dragonfly AR alarm reporting web application. To generate trend reports, click on the Reports menu and then click on the Trends submenu. The Trends page provides counts for device usage based on the device activity, which means when it is unsecure, device activation, meaning when it is activated by the user, and by system activity, which is diagnostic or alarm information. The page contains a table that presents the following information: the date range of the report, based on the filters you apply for reporting on the trends for the week or month, each device that has been cycled or activated, the number of times the device has been cycled or activated. To tune the trend report, click the Filters button. When you click the Filters button, a filter side panel will appear. The Filters side panel allows you to tune the trend report based on the following parameters. The Start Date field allows you to specify the minimum date for the report. The End Date field allows you to specify the maximum date for the report. The Totals By drop-down box allows you to select between week and month. If week is selected, the report will group by weeks, presenting counts by device per week. If month is selected, then the report will be grouped by month. The Devices text box allows you to filter the report by specific devices. You can enter multiple device numbers by separating each device number by a comma. 3 switches are provided to report based on different types of activity. The Device Operation switch reports based on device activity, which is when the device becomes unsecure. The Device Activation switch reports based on when the device was activated by the user. And the System Activity switch reports on the diagnostic and alarm information related to each device, such as breach and prop alarms. To apply the filters, press the filter icon at the bottom of the side panel. To find out more about the MTI detention control system and Dragonfly AR, or to request a demo, please contact us by emailing sales@montgomerytechnology.com or give us a call at 1-800-392-8292.